Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and boom. Your next viral TikTok video is already made. No filming, no editing, just pure AI magic doing the heavy lifting for you. Whether it's an AI influencer dropping hot takes, a cartoon character breaking down crazy science facts, or a breathtaking travel montage that makes your followers say, "Wait, you filmed this?" Spoiler, you didn't. The AI did. The tool I was referring to is DeepAgent by Abacus AI. Today, I am going to share the step-by-step method of creating shorts and TikTok videos using DeepAgent AI. So, hit the subscribe button and watch the video till the end. Say hello to DeepAgent, your ultimate AI sidekick for creating mind-blowing short videos and TikToks in seconds. Brought to you by Chat LLM from Abacus AI, DeepAgent is like having a Hollywood-grade editing team in your pocket, except way faster, cheaper, and always on call. Okay, this is the Chat LLM interface. Here on the left side, you will find all the projects or chats I worked on earlier. And at the bottom, you will find DeepAgent. Click on it, and you will be on the DeepAgent interface. Once you are on this page, you will find some templates under the prompt box. You can take inspiration from them. Okay, now let's create a short video where an influencer is talking about a particular topic. We have to ask in the prompt box. For example, I am typing, "Create a video where an influencer is talking about AI and jobs," and then hit the send button. AI is analyzing our query. Okay, now it's asking for some more information like personality, gender, video length, tone, and audience. We have to mention them. For example, I am writing, "A female-friendly influencer, talking in an optimistic tone about AI and jobs to students." Here, I mention the gender, personality, tone, and audience. Now I have to mention the duration. Once done, hit the send button. And here you can see that the AI has started its work. DeepAgent is now searching across the internet to collect factually correct information. Once the process is completed, it will generate the video script. And then the video plan. You can see the script of the video. Then, in the asset section, you will find all the visual prompts. And then the music settings. If you are satisfied with all the settings, you can go ahead. However, if you want changes, you can mention them. For example, I am entering instructions that include character descriptions and visual setups. You can proceed as needed. Once done, hit the send button. Now, DeepAgent will generate the influencer image as per our prompt. And here it is. The influencer image is generated. And the quality of the image is pretty good. Once the image is generated, DeepAgent is now generating the video. It will take some time. So, let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look.
Hey there! Worried about AI taking over jobs? Let me share something exciting. AI isn't here to replace us. It's creating millions of new opportunities. From AI specialists to data scientists, these are jobs that didn't even exist before. The best part? As a student, you're perfectly positioned to ride this wave of innovation. AI handles the routine tasks while you focus on being creative and strategic.
This is really a good video. So you can create this kind of video within a few clicks. To download the video, click on the download button here. And our video is now saved. Okay, now imagine you don't want to create a lip sync or avatar-based video, but want to create a top 10 video like this. It's so simple. Like before, we have to ask to create the video. For example, I am typing, "Create a video on the top 5 most expensive cars in the world." And here it is. You can see that DeepAgent has started its work. Now, DeepAgent will analyze the web data to get factually correct data. Once the data is collected, it will write the script and video plan. If you want to make any changes, you can do it. If you are satisfied with the result, simply type "Go ahead" and then hit the send button. Now, I will create the video. As it will take some time, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look.
These are the 5 most expensive cars in the world. Number 5, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17.5 million. Only 3 exist, with 789 horsepower. 4th, Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million, a one-of-one masterpiece. Number 3, Rolls-Royce.
This is just amazing. It's factually correct, and the visuals are amazing. So now you can create this kind of amazing listicle video using only a text prompt with DeepAgent by Abacus AI. Okay, Now imagine you have a TikTok page where you publish nature videos. You can also create this kind of video. For example, I am typing, create an amazing and visually appealing video of the underwater life and ecosystem of the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Use high-quality videos and voiceover with calm background music and related sound effects. On the next step, you have to add some additional info. After entering them, hit the send button, and the video is being generated now. And here it is. The video is ready.
Beneath the crystal-clear waters of Australia lies a living wonder visible from space, the Great Barrier Reef. This underwater paradise is home to over 9,000 species, making it Earth's largest living structure. Vibrant coral gardens stretch across 2,300 kilometers, creating a magical underwater city where thousands of fish dance through the waters. From tiny clownfish to majestic sea turtles,
You can see that it generates a really visually appealing video in a very short time. So, now you don't need to spend hours researching, collecting B-rolls, making voiceovers and editing them. Just write the topic, and the rest will be done by DeepAgent. This is not the end. You can also create a travel video. Like the previous one, ask to create the video and give the topic with detailed information. After that, give the additional information if required. Once done, DeepAgent will start making the video. And you will get a video like this.
Embark on a journey beyond borders. From ancient wonders to bustling streets, every destination tells a story. Discover breathtaking landscapes, taste exotic flavors, and embrace new cultures.
How is this? Let me know in the comments section. And yes, don't forget to like this video. Not only videos, you can do much more using DeepAgent AI. For example, you can create an interactive game. Just enter the prompt and then hit the send button. As I entered a prompt to create an interactive game, I got this result. And you can see that it's really amazing. So now you can create TikTok videos or YouTube shorts in a few clicks without any expertise. It's fully automated and very user-friendly. You can also create an app, games, or build a website within a minute. If you are a creator or developer, you should try this tool. The link will be in the description. Another big news item also, they also have a weekly competition to win $2,500 and showcase your human AI collab. Sign up today for DeepAgent, part of Chat LLM, at only $10 a month for the basic tier. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about DeepAgent, part of Chat LLM AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.